groups received economic boost. Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and those backing him in the impeachment cases are split whether High Court judges Eric Ogola, Anthony Murima and Freda Mugambi should continue sitting or not.
Gachagua's lawyers, Paul Mwite, Elisha Ongoyo and Dudley Ochiel, stuck to their guns that his case should be heard expeditiously with an allowance for him to further amend it, and is now seeking compensation for his impeachment.
However, the other petitioners, represented by lawyers Kibe Mungai and Harrison Kinyanjui, asked the judges to allow them to argue their applications that the Chief Justice should appoint a fresh bench of more than 5 but exclude the trio.
He will further seek to persuade this honorable court to grant him the emolument he would have earned had he served for the entire 5 years for which he had been elected by the Kenyan people, plus, of course, appropriate damages.
This derives from the Chief Justice being the head of the judiciary, giving us specific directions, which, as I've indicated, by the letter dated 22nd of May 2022, which you've also produced as Exhibit EAJ 4, she has not negated, repudiated, or otherwise recalled those instructions.
All those petitions and for purposes of the respective clients, some have come for purposes of public interest, knowing that beyond now and 2022 and 2027, Kenya will be there, and the issue of the legality of impeachment proceedings must be resolved one way or the other as quickly as possible.
In this regard, this matter will be mentioned again for compliance and for further directions on the hearing of the petitions on 19th of June 2025 at 2:30 p.m.
We want to take our first commercial break, but before we do, let's just take a look at what's in store for you in tomorrow's edition of The Standard. It is about Ngugi wa Thiong'o and the